How you doing, guys? Equal Forward here again, and I'm here to show you a classic and a rare series that's pretty much hard to get. I mean, you will have to go on Amazon and eBay to be able to find this. That's if it's even still up. But here it is. It's a complete collection of Maburaho. This is a old classic series. When I say old, I'm talking about 4:3 aspect ratio. Yes, people. The original aspect ratio is 4.3. And I used to watch this when I was a kid. I want to say 11 or 12. Or was it 10? I'm not sure. I think it was 11 or 12. But, yeah. This used to be on the Anime Network. On, Optimum. It's a up north channel. Pretty much up north cable. Comcast, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So, yeah. This is the fan pack chipboard box collection. 16 by 4.3, 1 through 26 episodes on DVD format. It's the front. It's the side. Here's the back. And here's the top. And I'm going to show you what's inside of them as well. Give me a second. I want to say this series reminds me a little of Heaven's Lost Properties. So if you've seen Heaven's Lost Properties, you'll probably get an idea of this. But let's begin. This is disc 1. It's plain, not in the ordinary. Disc 2. It's the back. It's been a while since I've seen this. And let me see some. All the discs are the same, so I ain't gonna show you it. I'm just gonna show you the covers. Disc 3. Disc 4. Last but not least, disc 5. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will answer your questions on this because, like I said, I loved this series back then, and I'm so glad to own it. Well, I got nothing to say, so this is Eagle Level 4, about to be out. Peace.